guys, Brent Senna here with Redfin. Oh, it's a little bit windy again, still here today. Checking in again from these new construction over here in Brighton in Farmlore. This is a 3-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,000 square foot. I believe 575. Again, great incentives from the lender and builder. Look at this nice little front porch area. And I really like the color. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see, blue. And then they've got the door yellow. I really like that accent there. But let's take a quick peek. Come on in. See here. So come on in. I've got a half bath here off to the right. Little coat closet there. And then that's the upstairs and bedrooms. We'll check in there in just a sec. A little bit of storage underneath the stairs. And again, these homes, pretty wide open layout here. Open concept. I mean, you could do dining over here or across the way there. Living room here. Looks like, again, quartz countertops here in the kitchen. Darker cabinets, all new appliances. Pantry. Farm type sink. And then I thought this feature was pretty cool. I'm not seeing this, and I know it's not a huge upgrade, but it got the chargers here on this outlet, so you can plug in like your phone and stuff directly into it without using the plug-in. So got your garage out this way, 2-car, and they're pretty deep. I mean, you could probably, well, not probably, you could fit like a large truck. And then they're tall for storage up top. Plenty of cabinet space too, through all of that there. Oh, backyard. Again, these aren't fenced off, but if you kind of look for the house across, I mean, they're not the biggest, but they're definitely bigger than what I've seen recently. So let's head on up. And if you're interested in touring any of these, just give me a shout. These are by appointment only. And come up the stairs here, you've got a little loft area off here, so you could do kind of whatever, a second living room, family room, playroom. You could even do an office over here. And then again, they've got this barn area that they're going to use as community type center. They're going to let the folks who live over here vote on what they're going to put in there. So like coffee shop, I don't know, restaurant, meeting space type of thing. So, and there's 3 builders over here. I think I mentioned that in the previous, ranging from about mid-4s up to over 6. So nice upgrade there, tankless water heater. And the value of that is you can run hot water 24/7. It'll never run out. So if you had a larger family or just like hot water all the time. Laundry room there. I like this bedroom here. It's got this little ledge. So I probably wouldn't advise sitting on there, but you could put some stuff up there or whatever. Oh, it's got this ledge too, pretty neat. Yeah, let's see. Bedroom number 2. It's got the ledge as well. And these are pretty decent size. And again, this is move-in ready. And then you've got a full bath here for those beds. Move-in ready. Oh, I think closet, yep. And you got the primary room, and these are huge. I mean, again, you could fit anything in here. Bed size, furniture. And then it's got dual closets. So you've got one walk-in here. And then you kind of come around the corner. You've got a second walk-in there. And then you've got a full, not a full, but bath. So stand-up shower, dual sink, linen closet. So again, these things are ready to go. They are move-in ready. I know I hear there's a lot of like, oh, there's not a lot of inventory out there, which is kind of true. There's not a lot of used homes, but these things are ready to go. The builders and their lenders are offering great incentives. And yeah, give me a buzz. We'll take a tour and I'll show you the other 2 to 3 builders over here. Thanks again.